Hello and welcome to this enhanced learning session for Keeping Time Learning Session 1. Before we begin, make sure you have the following resources: a pen, pencil, paper to write on, your knowledge organiser if you have one. Pause the video while you make sure you have these items. We're going to begin with a recall activity, so answer the following 5 questions on your sheet of paper. Question 1. What is samba? Question 2. What kind of event is samba music performed? Question 3. What kind of notes are these? Question 4. What does forte mean in music? And question 5. What is an apito? Answer those questions now. Okay, and the answers to those questions. What is samba? A style of music and dance from Brazil. Question 2. What kind of event is samba music performed? Carnivals and festivals. Question 3. What kind of notes are these? They are quavers. Question 4. What does forte mean in music? That means play loud. And question 5, what is an apito? And that is a samba whistle. Green pen those answers now. Okay, today's learning objective is to perform the rhythm and pitch to the pentatonic march. Can you write that down on your paper? So the LO is to perform the rhythm and pitch to the pentatonic march. Our success criteria is an accurate performance of the pentatonic march in time and with the correct notes. Okay, this is the rhythm to a piece of music called the pentatonic march. Before we try and clap the rhythm, let's just look at a couple of things in this music. We know what these types of notes are: a coloured in circle with a stem. That's a crotchet, and that lasts for 1 beat. This crotchet here has a dot placed after it. A dot indicates that you play that note for half its length more. So it lasts for 1.5 beats rather than just the 1 beat that a normal crotchet would last for. So any note that has a dot placed after it lengthens that note by half. This note here looks like a crotchet with a curvy line coming off the top, is a single quaver. A single quaver lasts for half a beat. So this is 1.5 beats, this is half a beat. Also, this note here, that's a circle that isn't coloured in with a stem, that's a minim, and a minim lasts for 2 beats. If you're playing this note on a keyboard, you would hold the key down and count to 2. We're going to clap the rhythm to the Black Note March. So first of all, I'm going to show you how each line goes, and then you will clap along to the video. So this is the first line. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second line is very similar. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. The third line is the same as the first line. The last line is different, and just make sure the very first note doesn't have a dot. So the first few notes of that last line are all crotchets. The last line goes like this. On the next screen, you will clap along to the pentatonic march. So you are going to clap along to the rhythm of the pentatonic march on the next screen. You will get a 2-bar counting, which will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you begin to clap. Good luck. We've now added the note numbers underneath, and these are the numbers of the notes you would play on the boom whackers in class. So the first line now goes 1, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3. The second line 1, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 1. Third line 1, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3. And the final line 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, 3. Remember, the last line doesn't begin with a dotted crotchet, it begins with a normal crotchet. You're now going to clap this and say the note numbers at the same time. Wait for the 2-bar counting and then begin. 1, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 1. 1, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, 3. Try this another few times to get used to the correct note numbers, rewind the video and try a few more times. In class, we perform the pentatonic march on the boom whackers. Each boom whacker is a different colour, which indicates a different note. We use number 1, which is red. Number 2 is orange. Number 3 is yellow. Note number 4 is turquoise. And note number 5 is blue. Those are the 5 notes that we use in the pentatonic march, which are actually the 5 notes of the pentatonic scale. Now you're going to clap and sing the note numbers. Listen a few times to get used to the sound of each note and try and sing along. As a musician, it is important to get used to practicing a part until you can play it well. Keep practicing it, refining and improving each time you play it. Here's the video one more time. Perform the pentatonic march by clapping and singing the note numbers. When you have finished, rewind the video and try again until you have mastered it. And that's the end of this learning session. Thank you.